As June hits, the beginning of something new, I've been trying to study for 3 months straight and the exam is nearby. I sometimes struggle to study, like keep going, like keep giving my best, like keep trying. It's hard. I procrastinate like everyone. Sometimes the procrastination lasts for hours, sometimes it will extend to days, and I'll be unmotivated to do anything. But live in the present instead of worrying about future or thinking about the past. Live in the present. Take a deep breath. Watch sky. New day, new beginning. Live in the present. That is what I'm saying to myself. Spending more time outside, sun, watching greeneries becomes my hobby these days.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.